Hi, I'm Fraser. I'm the FIL Area Manager for the Bay of Plenty. Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of testing your pH level in your water for your individual farm. Our acids generally need to sit below 3 to make sure they're doing their job on your plant. All FIL area managers carry pH meters, which we use to individually test those farms' water quality. What I'm going to show you now is how we test the acidity of our acid. So we start by putting our pH meter into 1 litre of water. You'll note that this farm's water is sitting around the 6.3, which is closer to the acidity scale, which a lot of farms are sitting at anyway. We then grab 1.5 ml of quantum red acid and we put that into the 1 litre of water. We give it a good squirt. We'll then drop our pH meter in, and you'll notice that it's starting to drop below 3. So what we're looking for here is definitely a below 3. Now you'll notice on this farm it's dropped down to 2.3, which is great. So what that's telling us is that you've got good water quality on this farm, and we know that you don't need to overdose your acid. So thanks for listening, and as always, if you've got any questions, give your local FIL area manager a call.